Hey team, trying my best with the recap. So basically we talked about vertical alignment in standards from 6th grade to algebra, starting off with 6 EE, heading into 7 EE, and what we did was we looked at state test questions to see what skills do we need to answer them and like how they relate to the grade before and like how we can prepare them for the grade after, going into 8 EE and then Algebra 1, which is like a goal that we have at our school to like eventually do to 8th graders to take the 8th grade regions. This is an example of an 8th grade problem. This is an example of an Algebra 1 problem. And at the end of this, we looked at what 5th grade standard that the students needed to even like get to this 8th grade problem. Next is MTSS, revisiting. So I put these slides in the drive as well. These are the guiding questions, the 3 important points, the look-fors, about assessment during math instruction, how to look for square with your thinking. The big push is the CBT, computer-based testing, which does not relate with our school just yet because it's only for 5th and 8th grade in spring of 2024. We should be concerning ourselves with it for next year because it's 4, 5, 6, and 8, so only 7th grade is optional. Best practices preparing students. They have the New York State question sampler. There's 4 ELA and math practice tests for each grade level, and there's 3 science practice tests online. This is what it kind of looks like. I'm just going to go through this pretty quickly because we don't really need this just yet. These are the accommodations that the kids get, and this is just best practices for preparing staff and proctors is to basically make sure that all technology is working. This is what the proctors will see before students submit the test, so it's kind of like cross-referencing multiple choice answers. This is an example of a CBT math practice test. This is an example of the calculator tool online. This could be something we talk about when ordering materials for the following years. Maybe having the same calculator that they use in hand so that when they actually take the state exam online, when it's mandatory next year, they can use those exact calculators. That's something that we can look into for the following year. And the